the Baltic Blue leather link bracelet. It's $99 at Apple and is available for both Apple Watch sizes. From there, there's a small medium and a medium large to choose from. A couple weeks ago, I did an unboxing and initial impressions. Today we're completing the review, showing you matching watch faces, practicality, and what to wear with it, so you see if it works for you or not. I hope this helps. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Let's check it out. It's a blue color, but it's a little more towards a dark teal. I love how shiny the stainless steel looks. It adds another premium look to it. The leather is definitely soft and smooth. Attaching it's pretty easy. Slide in both ends with the brown side underneath, then attach the longer strap over the smaller one to your desired fit. I have both silver and gold Apple Watch. Honestly, I like it with gold better. It just complements the color a lot more. Its leather is made in France, smooth and comfortable. It's interesting how blue it is in the dark, and more green when it's bright. The magnets are strong, but I personally wouldn't work out in it, in case it catches onto something and gets pulled off my arm. This is so easy to put on, it makes it convenient. I was easily able to remove it when putting on lotion and sunblock, then put it back on with less fear of dropping my watch. Keep it away from excessive sweat, like workouts and dancing. It's not breathable and would age even faster. I predict it getting darker over time. Watch faces help you personalize the watch. This color matches so many faces. I always start with the classics because they're a timeless option. I like how it's clean, solid, and it doesn't really clash with anything. The new faces look perfect with it, but my favorite one is the typograph rounded. The beauty of all these options is so you can customize your watch to your preferred taste. I love how elegant gold looks with it. Or you can add some color. Animated faces give it a magical look only a smartwatch could. The bracelet's like navy with a hint of green, so earth tones go well with it. I wouldn't wear it for sport, but some of the sportier faces work on it if that's your flavor. Though minimal in its shape, its texture visually creates volume that isn't clean enough to match with business attire. It gives it a slightly utilitarian, sporty look on a leather band. It's definitely something new, but I'll keep it to casual wear, if not semi-formal. Everything from a simple t-shirt and jeans combo to a button-up or blouse for going out. I absolutely love it with graphics and patterns. This takes advantage of the texture. Bright colors and pastels work. I personally enjoy it with neutrals and earth tones. In conclusion, I think it's a good watch band to wear pretty often if you're often casual. It's great to add to your collection to switch it up. I hope this styling video illustrated that. Feel free to comment below for any questions to share your experience with it. Give this a like if it helped, and subscribe for more. Your support can help me reach my $1,000 subscribers goal by the end of November. That's when YouTube actually starts rewarding us for our hard work. Thanks for watching.